Hey dolls, welcome to Nailed It. My name is Lizzie G, and today, like you saw it on the title, I'm going to show you this new collection from MODELONES. This is the Neon Space, and this is the box. I really love the matte and the glossy finish, the broken box here that slides open like this, and the neon colors are super cool. I love the box. So we're gonna try every single color, and we're gonna do this Halloween theme on our nails. It looks difficult, like you saw it on the little miniature on the thumbnail, but it's not. I'm gonna show you a really easy way to do it. First of all, there's 6 colors, and on the back of the box we can find all the information that you need, the ingredients, and social media is gonna be here too. Okay. Ooh, look at this. Wow, they're so pretty. Okay, dolls. The bottles look like this. This is, I think it's a sticker. It looks like it's painted. It's really cool. You can feel the lines and the letters. I think it's painted. It looks so cool. And then right here we have some information, how to apply it, the ingredients, and all that kind of stuff. This is really cool, and also has this little pattern that you can scan and you will find more information there. This is awesome. Okay, we're gonna start with the first one, which is the number 7. Next we have the blue, which is the number 11, I believe. It looks like a BK, but the B is upside down. And then it's upside down. I don't know, but it says 11 right there. Now here's the green, which is the number 1. Now we have the yellow, which is gonna be the number 10. Now we have the pink, which is the number 10, but without the letters. And lastly, we have the orange, which is the number 9 or 6.
Oh wow, she's great.
Alright, you guys, here you have it, the 6 colors. I think they are so bright and so pigmented. The only one that it made me scream a little bit was this one. As you can see, I did 3 coats, and you can still see like the brush strokes. It's a little difficult to work with, but not impossible, and it's beautiful. Look at them. So pretty. Okay, now we go into the design portion of this video. As you can see, I have this black gel that I need to take off because I want to use the blue and the purple as a base so we can make this design more Halloween-y. I want a dark background. And I think these are gonna work really good with all the brights that we have going on there. Okay, just give me 2 seconds to take this off and I'll be right back. Okie dokie, I remove all the gel and now they look like this. If you haven't seen this video, this is the Poly Nail Extension Gel from MODELONES also. I'm going to link it down below so you can watch that one too, if you like. And then I'm going to use their cuticle oil because with the filing, they look really dry. So I'm gonna rub it in and then I'm going to wash my hands and use the base coat. I'm going to start with the purple. Now I'm gonna take the blue for the pinky, the ring finger, and then I'm going to blend these two together. Okay, I'm done with the second coat and they look pretty good. They are a little transparent, but I like the glitter that is underneath. It looks really mysterious. I like it. So I'm gonna keep it that way. And now I'm gonna take my little plate and I'm going to place here the green, the yellow, the red, and the orange, which is the other four that we have left. Now I'm going to take my top coat, which is this one, and now I'm going to take this brush that is like a medium length. This is the time for the magic. Going to do one coat of the top coat. We're not going to cure this, and then I'm going to take the yellow first. Let's do yellow. And I'm going to do a line. First, place a dot and then drag it just like that, and then I'm going to clean my brush with a little alcohol. There we go. Now for the next color, which is the pink, I'm gonna do exactly the same, just a little bit lower. Place it and pull it. And the top coat, which is fresh, it's going to start spreading the actual color that we place down, if that makes sense. Can you see how it's like spreading and opening and sliding all over? I love that effect. It looks so cool. Yummy. I'm going to let this like spread a little bit more, and then we're gonna cure it for 30 seconds. Okay, you guys, look at this. I waited a little bit longer and it looks awesome. Now I'm gonna cure it for 30 seconds. And now I'm gonna take the yellow. I'm going to try to make some ghosts. Just place the little dot and then pull, pull, pull. Cute! On the other side, same. Dot, 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 and then pull. Can you see it? Can you see it? Cure this also for 30 seconds. Now I'm gonna take a little bit of black so we can make the little eyes for this ghost. Like so. Just dot and pull. Dot and pull a little bit. And then a huge mouth. Oh. Oh my god, that's so cute. I love it. Same with this little guy. That is adorable. I'm going to flash cure it for 10 seconds. And now for this one, I think I'm going to try to make like a moon right in the middle. And then I'm going to dot just a little bit of that lightest yellow and wait for it to spread. And while that is happening, I'm going to make some clouds with pink just to make it cute, because this is really scary already. Wow, I like it. Now for this one, I think I'm going to try a skull. To start with the head, like so. This is kind of scary. Okay, like right in the middle for the eyes. Oh my. Okay, it's happening, it's happening. The mouth part. I mean, it's not that bad, it's kind of scary. Bear with me. Oh, I like it, I like it. Flash cure, flash cure. Now you can see anything because it's really, really dark. So I'm going to take the yellow or the lightest color, and then I'm going to start like doing some highlights and details so you can actually see the skull. This is what I like about neon colors. You can just have fun with them. All right, handsome. Okie dokie, my dolls, this is the end result. I decided to put some bats here and then like thunders and stuff like that. I just made a little details, and I decided to put like a little pink ghost on my pinky. It looks so cute. It's my favorite. So what do you guys think about this collection? I feel like we took Halloween to another level with neon, and it's so in right now. You're not going to regret if you decided to get this collection. Trust me. And wait. Just wait and look at this. They glow with the black light. Oh my gosh. Whenever you go trick-or-treating and they have black lights everywhere, your nails are going to look like this. So cool. Okay, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you, MODELONES, for this neon collection. I had so much fun making these. And remember that I'm going to link everything down below so you can get yours. Thank you so much for being here. I see you guys on the next one. But for now, I send you all a big kiss. Mwah.